Then she said, in our society, something happens that starts to make these lines separate some. Any guesses? There's one event that kind of creates a separation that is very, it might seem natural, but it invariably, I shouldn't say that, most of the time creates this feeling of not so close. What is it? What?
Everyone else just said kids. I was going to say like careers, like when you start kind of getting more established in where you're going.
Mm-hmm.
You know, like my husband, he's graduated, he's like in his career, and it's just kind of different.
Yeah. And I would say both of those things. She said it's kids, but I would agree with you, Kennedy, that also is careers. If somebody's, trying to climb that ladder of success, it kind of dominates the focus for a while. And then this relationship, as kids continue or as the career continues, tends to, not always, there's always exceptions, tons of exceptions, but at some point, she said, they start to go back together. What is it that creates, what is this event probably? What? Kids leave. That is it. Yeah, so kids leave, and we see this closeness that naturally happens unless it doesn't. Where it might also be that the feeling is at this point or somewhere where this separation, where they're saying things aren't like they used to be, and so they just keep going their separate ways, right? When I heard that, and I wasn't married at the time, I don't think. I might have been somewhere in this area. I don't remember. It was a long, long time. I might have been somewhere right here when I heard that. But I heard that. She put that on the board, and I said, I'm going to be different. No matter what. I mean, that's always my go-to is I'm different than everybody else. I'm going to show them. And I'm just going to be whoever it is who I end up with, who happens to be dumb enough to go with me. Yeah, I'm going to be there. Right? Because I'm going to show them that this is possible to do. Of course, it didn't happen. I mean, how it happened with me was the same as everyone else. You can't have this while you've got 4 kids in the house. You just can't focus on just one person, I realized, even though we've been enormously in love the whole time.